Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Three-dimensional.
What does the dictionary say?
Having, or seeming to have, the dimension of depth as well as width and height.
Math rap.
Three-dimensional, better known as 3D, goes wide and high, and also deep, with width, height, and depth to find like a real-world object of any kind.
Math rap.
Explain the idea of three-dimensionality in your own words. How are you at drawing shapes in 3D? Draw a triangle, a square, and try a cylinder in 3D if you can. The fourth dimension would be something outside the range of ordinary experience. If you could add, for example, an extra sense to your screen time viewing experience, would you add taste, smell, or touch? Explain your choice. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your Math Minutes rock!